Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can update your user email in your account on Cloudflare. So let us guide you through this. So guys, you will need to navigate to your account on Cloudflare, log into your account and click into the profile icon top right, and next navigate to your profile settings. Here what you want to do is click into settings in the top left, and here you will see your current email address verified for the given account. So to change it, click into update email here and then enter the new email address here where you see that star icon and below confirm it, assign a password, and then confirm and save it by clicking into this button. Now I'm not going to do this. I'm going to keep my email address. So that's how it works. After that, guys, you may also be asked to verify your new or your changed email. So you may receive, for example, a verification email to the updated email address. So make sure that you monitor your inbox for that to confirm and to verify that new email address from there. And that's it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.